All right, welcome back to the channel. Out here for another episode today. I got some finger mullet and some oversized mullet. There was something just tearing up a bait school of mullet right here. Let's see if I can get in there and catch what it was. I'm just letting this mullet free line, letting him run, pulling out line. This whole point right here is a hot spot on Salt Strong fishing app. You can see something getting chased down there. We got an outgoing tide today. Low tide is at 11. It's about 9, so I got a couple hours before it gets low. Still got moving water here. Key to fishing these backwaters is moving water that I found. I'm watching this wall right here, see if I see any snook coming down the wall, and I'll throw to them. Oh, something tearing the wall up over there. Let me get a bait over there. Snook was popping bait over there. Run to the wall. There you go, Mr. Mullet. Let me get my bait closer. She was actually up there. Should have left it, but the way the line was moving, I thought he was coming off the wall. All right, so oh, I see a snook up there along the wall, my left side. He's right there on the point. He's moving off into the deep water. See if he turns on it. He's turning. Go back to it. I lost sight of him. I don't know if he came out to the channel. Oh, that snook's back over there. Snook to the left. He's just sitting on the point there. Ah, lost my bait. Crap. All right, there's a snook. 11 o'clock in front of me. I'm gonna see if I can get him to turn back to the wall. I didn't want to throw in front of him. Spook him. All right, come on, take it. Fish on, baby. Oh yeah, snook. Yeah, baby. Gotta get my net. All right. Yeah. First snook of the day. Got the net. Cut the net. .25" All right, first fish of the day, 25" snook up against this mangrove shoreline. She's biting down on my thumb. There she goes. All right, let me get another bait up there. All right, it's up there by the mangroves. There's a tree in the water that's underwater, and I thought my that snook I just caught got wrapped around it. So it got free, I believe. Let's get it bait up towards the shoreline there. I got something on. Yeah, a little snook. Little juvenile. Oh. Yeah, little 16". All right, second fish of the day, little 16" snook. Get him back in the water. He's ready. Hey. All right, fish on. Barracuda. Come on, take him. How could you not take him? All right, look at that. Tearing the walls up.
Snook, I just want to give you this. It's just like this little mail-in data collection that we do. So
Okay.
it has paid postage on the back of it.
Okay.
And it's for like those catch and release species.
Sure.
So like drum, snook.
Okay.
So for one future trip, you just fill out the top,
Yep.
fill out the links of the released fish, and then right on the back is the paid postage, so you can have them in the mail. But yeah, that helps us get a little bit more data on those.
Okay,
species.
thank you.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. All right, we got
Snook on.
Chris with a fish on.
Sure.
Oh yeah. I got a net. Okay. Nice. It's still snook season. Nice catch, man. $23. Here, get up here and no. You can hold him and take a picture.
No.
All right, good job, Chris. 23 inch snook.
Yeah.
All right.
Start. First
There we
one of
go.
the day.
Get a release. And he got me good. Oh, buddy.
Come on, guy.
Is he biting on your thumb?
Not yet. A little bit. Come on.
He should be good. There he goes. Okay. All right, we got Chris with another fish on. Getting close to the boat, you can grab him by his lip.
Yeah. Little acrobatics for us.
Yeah. You need help?
Yeah. No, he's a little thicker. He's a.
Yeah. Can we get him out, or you want to get?
I can get him on the phone
Okay.
here.
Nice. About the same size? Yeah.
Hang on there, buddy. Get my belt.
You need a plier?
Yeah, I didn't have to grab mine on the bag.
Here you go.
Oh, I think I got it.
Yep.
Hang on, buddy. Almost got you loose. About the same size, I'd say.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, get a measurement down there. Where's this big? I'll tell you in a minute.
A little bigger.
Yeah. 24 and almost 25?
You're 23 and a half.
All right.
You're about the same.
Yep.
Okay, let go. Let go. Okay, I'll let you go.
Take off. All right, man. Good job.